Good job, buddy.
That's it?
High five.
Go to the other side. Okay. Let's go to the other side.
I can do it by myself.
You can.
But not you.
Oh.
I'm gonna pick it up if you'll set this under it.
Okay.
Just prop it up.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right there.
Can you pull that wheel off, buddy? Yeah, just pull the whole thing off.
No, with your hands. Pull the wheel off.
Got it? Can you hand me the hammer back there, buddy?
Yep.
Good worker.
I can do it for you.
Okay. Hit that bolt right there. Keep going.
Now do it some more.
Yeah. There you go. Now you're in the right spot. You hit it. And you hit it like this.
Maybe you can do the top.
Give it a little bit.
Yeah. I do
And
it.
you can finish it off.
Yes.
Hold it. Okay, let the wheel turn straight. Okay. Alright, we're gonna set it down, buddy. Guess we'll have to see, won't we?
Yeah. Yeah. This is a massive sheep shed. This is a massive sheep shed.
Yeah, this is the biggest that I can make it, and it's say the lightest. Like, it still doesn't weigh very much.
Yeah.
It's mainly for shade. We'll put this out there, and they won't even stand under it in the rain, but they'll get under it when the sun's out. I made it just slightly narrower than the gates. Actually thought of that this time.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
When you said that, I was like, oh.
Right.
Let's play when you want, Mommy.
Okay, just a minute. We're going to help Daddy with the sheep shed.
It's just cattle panels. That's all it is.
I want the hammer.
3 cattle panels nailed to 2 2x4s, and then this is a used billboard tarp.
I want this.
Let me get it started, and then you can do it. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can hammer it in. Hammer and boy.
Yeah. Go, buddy. You just threw the drill down.
Don't need that anymore, do we? I believe that's got it, buddy.
Nope.
You have to eat some more smooth. Ready?
We got it.
Got it, didn't we? The wheel should be in the middle.
Well, but if the wheels are in the middle, then it'll always be teetering out there,
Yeah.
and then they won't be able to get in. Watch out, bub.
Should be alright. It's super easy to move though. Watch out. Think about trying to pull it from this end. Not moving the wheels, just pulling it from this end.
Gotcha.
Someone go big.
The front yard.
Yeah. You got this. Pretty easy, isn't it?
It is easy.
I don't know how well it turns.
You're gonna let me test that out?
Yeah.
It's not as hard as it looks like it would be.
Yeah. I know. It's massive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Those wheels.
Well, hopefully they'll use it. Yeah.
Sure.
So what happened to our first sheep shed that we had?
I had a goat.
No
Enough
explanation.
said, yeah.
Yeah.
She loved to jump on it and tore it all to pieces.
Yeah.
She bent, it was amazing how she bent the cattle panels all to pieces.
Well,
We don't-
hopefully we won't have sheep jumping on it, but those lambs like to jump on stuff.
Yeah. Maybe this one disturbs it might encourage them.
Like, woohoo! That looks fun.
I could make it rigid. Put a board across the back.
Yeah. Wasn't the other one like that? We had, I thought we had like
Boards
right
down.
here. Yeah.
Yeah, I could do that for you. You just have to nail through this.
Right. So how did you attach the billboard?
I just stapled it on the side.
Oh, okay, I see it now.
But at the same time, they're pretty fragile. It wouldn't take much to poke a hole in it.
Yeah.
Put it in the
He's in the power pole now. Daddy's trying to decide if he's going to use the tractor to pull it down.
Why?
It might fall that way. See how it's leaning?
Oh, he's gonna axe it.
He's going to axe it. Okay. Yeah. Sit down and take it. Well, that was pretty anticlimactic because we were supposedly videoing this entire. Adam called me over to the tractor to hold the brake down while he went and cut some more from the tree. And then, so when he called me over there unexpectedly, apparently I had not pressed record. And I couldn't let go of the brake, obviously, and on the tractor. And then he ran over to the tractor and drove it, and the tree fell down perfectly where it was supposed to, but none of it was videoed. So I can show you the tree now that it's on the ground. He said there'll be another one. So he loves to cut trees down, if you haven't noticed that already. And my little boy, when you ask him what he wants to do when he grows up, he said, I want to cut trees down. In the blood, I guess. Huh? In what? Oh.
A piece of metal? How? From chainsaw?